Hey everyone, did you ever found some old footage, but it's super choppy? Or maybe your video just has a low frame rate for some reason? No worries, AI can solve that with just one click and make it smooth again. Today, I'll show you how to easily boost your video's frame rate with AI and make it smoother and clearer. First, open AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI and upload your video. Second, choose Upscale to 4000 and convert to 60 Fs. You can see the output resolution here, and then you can preview the result. It looks great, right? Now start processing and waiting. Look at the difference. Here's the original video, and here's the enhanced one with smoother, higher FPS. Can you spot the improvement? If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.